would have been put on high alert. I would be in the situation room an hour after finding out about it, watching, or whatever, as soon as possible, watching an operation to either retrieve that balloon, take place, or to blow it out of the sky. There'd be no talks, there'd be no negotiations, there'd be no public comments until I could say that the Chinese violated our airspace, had a reconnaissance spy balloon flying over our country, and I, as your commander-in-chief, made the decision to retrieve it so we can see what technology they're using, or I blew it out of the air because that was the best option our military gave me. That's it. I don't think is that complicated? I don't think so.
I heard a balloonist talking about that he does high-level helium balloon stuff, and he said a couple of small holes. That's all you need. A couple of golf ball holes.
That's it.
And the starter descent. And the second it crosses international water into U.S. waters at 7 miles out, right?
Right.
That's when, okay, we've got it. It was coming from the Pacific. They knew it. Everybody could be watching. And, yeah, and it...
I want to know the truth about... Well, we found out 68 days later that Joe had classified top-secret documents. So...
Point.
Coast to coast, border to border, and all over. This is the Sean Hannity Show. Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
It's time to fuel up again. And now, you can earn reward points with $1 off per gallon on your next 3 visits. Sign up for the Chevron app and start earning it. You can earn reward points at participating Chevron stations on every fuel transaction and qualifying in-store purchases. It's rewarding. Download the Chevron app in the App Store and sign up today. Terms and conditions apply.
Nickelback, the Get Rolling Tour. With Brantley Gilbert and Josh Ross.
Selling your car on Cars.com so fast. It's like the dealer is in your own backyard. Get the best offer instantly, confirm with the dealer, and the money's yours. Cars.com. It's magical. Tap to sell on Cars.com today.
Here are the top Aerosmith songs that you've thumbed up. 3. Ragdoll. Number 2, Dream On. Number 1, hear more from Aerosmith and similar artists now. Search for Aerosmith on iHeartRadio. All your favorite music, all your favorite stations, all free.
iHeartRadio, did you know? Presented by iHeart. Did you know that iHeartRadio not only lets you listen to all your favorite AM/FM stations locally and nationwide for free, but iHeartRadio also lets you build your own
personalized stations based around your favorite. We call it Artist Radio. Let us build you a customized station just for you with the least amount of work. Step 1, type in the name of your favorite artist. Step 2, tap play. We'll take it from there and automatically build you a station based on the best music from that artist and other similar artists. It's really that easy. And best of all, our Artist Radio is presented with limited commercial interruption. Unlike where your personal stations are constantly being interrupted. If you want to take matters into your own hands, you can skip songs you don't like, and you can thumb up and down songs to help personalize the station to your taste. And best of all, Artist Radio is free. Check it out today. Search your favorite play, and we'll take it from there. iHeartRadio, #1 for music, radio, and podcasting, all in one app.
Here at the top of your two songs that you thumbed up. Number 3, Pride in the Name of Love. Number 2, With or Without You. Number 1, I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Hear more and other similar artists now? Search U2 on iHeartRadio. All your favorite music, all your favorite stations, all free.
I bet many of you did not know that your home could be stolen, but in fact it can. As a matter of fact, you have criminals all around the world. They are targeting you, the American people, American homeowners. And here's the deal. Your document that proves that you own your home. Now that title can easily be found online, and what these thieves are doing is they're forging a signature on a legal document claiming you sold them your home, when in fact you didn't. And they take out on your home, and you don't find out until you get a late payment notice, a foreclosure notice, and they have long disappeared. And you might not know this, homeowners insurance policies don't cover this, and there are many programs that don't protect you either. Now, I want you to register your address for free, no obligation. You will get a home title report for your files, $100 value, absolutely free. Just go to this TitleLock.com/Sean, verify that your home's title is still safely in your name. $100 value, absolutely free, to give you situation and status. HomeTitleLock.com/Sean. That's HomeTitleLock.com/Sean.
So we have some good news to end our show with, thank God, because we could all use it.
Thank God.
Thank God. So we've been told and they're sponsoring this awesome contest on Hannity.com. You can win $500 in silver coins. 4 lucky people this month, 1 a week. Our first winner is SGC, our Goldco winner from Studio City, California. SGC won $500 in free silver from Goldco. So if you guys want to Hannity.com, and for info and rules, you can find out more there.
All right, thank you. Good news on a weekend. All right, that's going to wrap things up for today. We are loaded up tonight. The latest on this spy balloon. I don't care what the communist Chinese say. It shouldn't be in our airspace, period, end of sentence. Mike Pompeo, I'm dying to hear how he does this. I believe a lot different. Is Joe Biden, based on the Biden syndicate and their business dealings with China and Russia, are they compromised? That is a legitimate and fair question. We will ask it tonight and much, much more. We have Biden's blunders, which has now become a popular Friday got a panel of guests, and also we've got a lot to talk about. Mark Carey will be back. When you hear about the parent of a child brutally beaten up in school on a school bus and wants to press criminal charges, when you see this video, it is going to make you cry. We got LJ, we got Janice Dean, we got much, much more. 9 Eastern, our Audience Edition show, Hannity on the Fox News Channel. We'll see you tonight back here on Monday. Thank you for making this show possible.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you might be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you that money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all the work, charge not a dime up front, and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get for you. Businesses of all types qualify, including those who took people, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion businesses, and we can help your business too. Just go to GetRefunds.com and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000. GetRefunds.com. That's GetRefunds.com.
Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. The Pentagon says it continues to track a balloon from China that it says is west as it travels east. The discovery of the balloon sticking a pin in U.S.-China relations.
Secretary of State Antony Blinken told his Chinese counterpart conditions are not conducive to a productive meeting right now, postponing his planned visit to Beijing.
I made clear the presence of this surveillance balloon in U.S. airspace is a clear violation of U.S. sovereignty and international law.
Blinken says the Chinese decision to fly a surveillance balloon over the U.S. is detrimental to discussions.
The United States will continue to maintain open lines of communication with China.